You have been watching a lot of comedy skits videos using funny sounds like this or even this, and you've been wondering, how do they do it? Well, in today's tutorial, I will teach you how to extract this kind of comedy sounds and add them to your own videos with your phone. It's not difficult at all. First, you need an editing app. I'll be using Capcut in this tutorial. So let's go. So head over to Play Store and search for Sound Effects for Comedy. It's an app. Download this very one. Open up the downloaded app and scroll through. You will see a lot of funny sounds. Choose the one you like and click on Download MP3. Or click these three dots and click on Download. After doing that, exit the app and let's go back to Capcut. Open Capcut and click on New Project. Select your video that you want to add these funny sounds to. Click on Add. The video is added to our timeline. Click on this Add Audio. Then click on Sounds. Next, click on this folder icon here and click on Device. Now search for those downloaded sounds, and if you see the one you want, click on the plus sign. It is now added to our timeline. Hold and drag it to position where you want it to start playing. When you are satisfied with the way it plays, click here to export your video. Always remember to click on this ending and click Delete to remove the Capcut watermark on your video before you export it. Please like and share this video with your friends, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you get notified when next I drop a new video. Thanks for watching and watch out for my next video.